सबको नमस्कार. A very proud moment for us on this very auspicious inauguration function of Child Wellness and Autism Clinic. We have been dreaming about, as MS said, for last year or so, and we wanted to desperately start this, and also I can proudly claim that this is one of the first of its kind in the entire Northeast, as told by Dr. Gozen. And autism and its related spectrum of diseases, even though we can't call it as a disease, it has widely affected our society and also the, means not only our society, means the whole world, I suppose. So I'm very happy to be part of this very important event, and this will remain one of the most important event we started in this institute since my joining here in last 2.5 years. Children are the foundation of our society and the promise of our future. Ensuring their physical, emotional, developmental and psychological well-being is not just a medical duty, it is a social responsibility. Today's inauguration reflects AIM's dedication to providing comprehensive, inclusive and accessible healthcare services for every child, especially those with developmental challenges such as autism spectrum disorder. Just to take the note of what our MSS said, some of our staff spend half their salary dealing with a child who is suffering from this type of condition. They have to go to different places, they have to manage occupational therapies and whatnot. So we have seen this number rising in recent times. I'm not very sure when I was a student here whether I come across this or not. But over the last maybe 10 years or maybe 15 years, we have seen this. And I have many colleagues, when I was working at Delhi, people will ask like, do you have any specialty of this kind at AIMS or something? So, and even they will come all the way from Manipur and Nepal, and they will be just going to a, or one of one child psychiatrist or maybe a neurologist. And it's not an instant treatment here. We can't give a paracetamol or some injection and stuff. So it's a lifelong thing, and you can just imagine how tough that will be for a family to support. And for that, I think early intervention remains one of the most important things. I'm very happy to be, in collaboration, or we can say we have the collaboration with District Early Intervention Center under the National Health Mission, RPSK. And as Dinesh, Director NHM, has been very close to me, and he has been always very supportive. So I take this opportunity to thank the entire team of the NHM and the RPSK for supporting us. We all know autism is not a disease, it is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects communication, behavior and social interaction. With increasing awareness and improved diagnostic methods, we now understand that early identification and timely intervention can make a profound difference in the lives of the children with autism. Early support can enhance communication skills, improve social functioning, and empower children to reach their fullest potential. The establishment of this clinic marks a significant milestone at the RIMS Imphal, and also I can say for the entire Northeast and region. It will serve as a multidisciplinary center where pediatricians, psychiatrists, psychologists, speech therapists, occupational therapists and other allied health services will provide a comprehensive treatment to the patient or the children. This integrated approach is essential because child development is multifaceted and not a single discipline can address all the aspects of child's needs. I have been told by our HOD, Professor Gozen, that this will run for 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. Initially we thought that we will run for 2 days, but I think it will be quite generous that 5 days a week starting at 9. So I think this will be very tremendous effort from our side. This clinic will not only focus on diagnosis and treatment, but also on early screening, parental counseling, therapy services, and community outreach. And we are very happy to give this information that District Early Intervention Center is an outreaching program. So we will be in collaboration, we will be able to serve a very major chunk of this sort of a dimension of disease in our state. I would like to acknowledge and appreciate dedicated efforts of, as I have mentioned, NHM, then our the psychiatry department for the tremendous effort, and also we have our engineering department and our MH medical superintendent. We have been trying hard to come to this date, and we haven't tried to postponing. But I said let's start it and let's see what is required next. So we have done that. Maybe we will be able to fill up anything what is required in few days. As a premier medical institution, RIMS carries a responsibility not only delivering patient care but also advancing education and research. This clinic will also serve as a training and research center, helping our postgraduate students and healthcare professionals gain expertise in developmental pediatrics and child mental health. Through research and evidence-based practices, we can continuously improve the quality of care and contribute to national and regional health policies. I firmly believe that inclusion begins with awareness. Let this clinic also be a center of advocacy, promoting understanding, reducing stigma, and encouraging early screening in schools and communities. Every child, regardless of ability, deserves respect, dignity, and equal opportunity. On this important occasion, I call upon all the stakeholders, healthcare providers, educators, policy makers, community leaders and parents to join hands in building a nurturing ecosystem for our children. Together we can ensure that no child is left behind. Let me also take this opportunity to mention that RIMS Imphal also runs one center, that is Center of Excellence of Rare Disease, since last year. And we are now at a full throttle rather, because starting this Center of Excellence of Rare Diseases require a tremendous amount of investment in terms of equipments, high-end equipments, next gen, and we are almost on the last leg. Once that is done, we should be able to cater many wide ranges of rare disease. So I already proposed this morning to our MS that Rare Disease Day is on the last day of February. So we'll be celebrating, observing rather, on 28th Feb, last day of Feb. So I was trying to find out why this observe on the last day of the Feb. So we have a leaf here, and there was some I started in 2008 on 29th Feb.